Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I have a few razors hanging around on my shelf up here and back here and in here in my drawer, and I just saw this one and I thought, I haven't shaved with this razor in quite a while, and I have a pretty decent beard growth going on here, so this is the one I'm going to try today, the Parker Semi-Slant. This comes in graphite, rose gold, and satin. This is the satin right here. As you can see, it's got a nice little twist to it. It skews quite a bit here. And I have shaved with it once before, but it's been like 4 or 5 years. It's been a while. So this will be almost like me shaving with it brand new because I don't remember what it shaved like. So let's see what this thing does. As you can see, it's got some smooth satin banding up here, and then a very checkered knurling on the handle, very easy to grip, and then smooth banding here, more checkered knurling at the bottom, and completely smooth satin at the bottom as well. It's a 3-piece razor, so we will disassemble it. Top cap, the safety bar, slant bar safety bar, and let's go with a Parker blade. Why not? It's a Parker razor, we'll go with a Parker blade. Here's what it looks like in the paper. Here's what it looks like out of the paper. Let's pop that right over the top cap and the 2 pins, like so. Reinstall the base plate and then screw on the handle. So it holds the blade in a skewed fashion. You can see that, which makes it a more aggressive shaving razor than your standard flat bar safety razor. It's a pretty hefty razor. Here it is next to a 34C, so you can see how much longer it is. Quite a substantial size difference going on there. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 3.1 ounces or 88 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. So it's a pretty long handle. Very easily fits in the palm, very easy to spin, and the way the knurling is, you can put your thumb and forefinger right up at the top here, and it's a perfect spot to grip it. Very comfortable in the hand. I will use the other players in the game today. Sterling Soap Company Barbershop Shaving Cream. I like this scent. Reminds me of the good old days when Pops used to take me to the barbershop as a kid. Talcum powder, you know, that club man, that talc on the back of the neck, and the brush, all that good stuff. That's what it smells like. Scents can bring back those memories, and this one definitely does. I'll use the Simpsons Chubby 2 brush to lather up. As I said, Parker blade, and I'm going to save the aftershave for later on because we'll talk about that later on. I'm going to do sort of a tribute to somebody later on. So I will lather up in the Shave Nation ceramic bowl right here. So let's fill up my cup with some hot water. Here's the Simpsons Chubby brush. You can see that huge knot. Very tight, dense knot. Badger knot. Once it's saturated, look at it. It still stays the same. Retains that moisture. It gains a couple ounces in weight because it's absorbed all that water. So we'll let that soak for a minute. My Shave Nation ceramic bowl, I'll warm that under the hot water because it will retain some heat as well. All right, remove the brush from the water. Give it a few shakes. Remove the bulk of the water. Pour out that water. Let's crack the cap on our barbershop shaving soap. Go right in here. I'm just going to load those tips up like so. A lot of water was left in the brush, so that's why I got some suds coming out of it. Wonderful scent. Just going to wet those tips, saturate those tips, go right into the bowl, and see if we can generate a further lather inside the bowl. Just press those tips right down into the lather spot at the bottom. Scoop that shaving cream. Keep pushing down toward the bottom. Lather's generating. It's coming over the top. Just scoop that back in. Keep swirling. There you go. Got a few passes worth of lather here, no problem. Let me set this down. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. Somebody said in a comment, do you have to splash the water on your face so vigorously and violently? I guess I do. Maybe that's how I've always done it. So what can I say? All right, how's that? Let's pick up our bowl and our brush. Here we go. Apply some lather. Start on the right. This is the Chubby 2. It holds quite a bit of lather. The 3 will hold even more, and the 1 less. It's a bit smaller. Drive it right into the beard. This thick brush really will help you penetrate. And I did have some pretty heavy beard growth, so this will soften, hydrate the whiskers, prepare them for the shave to come. Little figure 8, smooth everything out. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Alright, here we go. The Parker Semi-Slant Safety Razor loaded with a Parker blade. Let's start on the right side here, find our angle, work your way down. Okay, good audible feedback for sure. You can hear that, right? I think the skewing or the twisting of the blade causes more feedback on the blade. Quite aggressive, look at that. Removed it very easily. Flip it over. Excellent. Both sides are filled. Let's rinse that. Tons of stubble going down the drain. Cold water rinse on the razor. Find your angle on this side. Just work your way down. It's so hefty that you can let the razor do the work. No need to apply any pressure on this one. Oh, lots of stubble there. Better flip it over. All right, let's rinse that. Both sides are filled. Down the neckline. What I mean is don't apply pressure. That means just let the razor glide over the skin. You don't want it to push into the skin. Just glide over it. And it removes the beard, the whiskers, without irritating the skin. Mustache, just scoop right under. The head's a little bit bigger, but it does have a contour where it slopes down. So let's see what that feels like. Yeah, you can get right under the nose. Nice, very good. Okay, first pass complete. I could just about stop right here. You can see. If you are smooth enough, you can stop right here. But let's do one more. Just a quick rinse. Very slight rinse. Grab our brush and our bowl. Just relather just a slight amount because the bulk of the beard has now been removed. Figure 8. Set that down. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Clear the runways one more time. Let's Let's leave the fingers wet this time. Still easy to grip. First pass was with the grain north to south. Now I'll go across. Just take your time, let it glide across the skin. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse that. Now the neck against the grain. And you're stretching the skin by putting your head upwards. I don't know if you heard that. That was my neck. All right, across the mustache area. Just use the tip right in the corner under the nose, angle the tip in there, and then lay it flat. A little cleanup. Excellent. Fantastic. All right, let's rinse it. Let's go final rinse with hot and then cold water on the face. There you go. Excellent shave. Smooth on the cheeks, mustache, chin, neck. No nicks, no cuts. Really nice shave. Let me dry my fingers. Here's what they say about the razor. The Parker Semi-Slant Double-Edged Safety Razor has the advantages of a slant bar razor. More cutting surface on each whisker due to the blade angle, without the aggressiveness and dramatic blade exposure associated with other slant bar razors. This razor delivers an incredibly close and comfortable shave. Parker's semi-slant safety razors are milder than the typical slant, combining the best of a slant razor and a conventional safety razor. Since the blade angle is torqued, the razor cuts the hair at an angle instead of straight on, resulting in a very efficient shave. A semi-slant razor is great for those with thicker, more coarse hair, as well as for wet shavers with sensitive skin. Tip: for best result, use very little pressure when shaving with the semi-slant. That's very true. That's exactly what I said. Just let it glide over the skin. Razor type: a 3-piece slant head safety razor. Approximate dimensions: weight 3.1 ounces or 88 grams. Length 4.25 inches, 108 millimeters. The material: manufactured of solid brass frame with textured electroplated finish for improved grip. And if you buy it at Shave Nation, it includes a 5-pack of Parker double-edged razor blades. That's that. Let's pat the face dry. And here we go. I'll show you the product, and then maybe you can guess who the tribute is to. It's Sauvage by Dior. Can you guess? You ever see the commercials with Johnny Depp out in the desert digging a hole with his cool 70s car in the background, his jewelry, you know, his whole garb, just looking cool like he always does? Well, this is a tribute to Johnny Depp. And with the trial that's going on and everything, in my opinion, whatever happened to innocent until proven guilty. So I will use this in honor of Johnny Depp, because when they asked him, what did you lose, like regarding this trial, he said, no matter the outcome of the trial, I lost nothing less than everything. And again, innocent until proven guilty, it's not happening. So here we go. This is the balm, a little bit in the fingertips, right there. Massage that directly into the skin. Be honest, I really love this Dior, this Sauvage. Been using it for a long time, and you know, it's hard for little guys like us at Shave Nation to carry a brand like Dior, but if they ever wanted us to, I'd be more than happy to. So there it is. And then I finish it up. Finish it up with the Sauvage, clean it up a little, Dior Eau de Toilette, the EDT. I usually just spray it right in my hand like that. then right into the face. And back of the neck and under the shirt. Keeps you smelling great all day, and you know, Johnny Depp as a spokesman, I'm down. So that's it. Feel what you may about what's happening with the trial, but I feel like you know, he got the short end of the stick. He did lose everything. No more Pirates of the Caribbean, no more movie roles. I mean, nothing really is happening for him. So wish him the best. I think Dior stuck with him, so I give them credit for that. Here's a final look at the razor, the Parker Semi-Slant Slant Bar Razor. As you can see, I had very heavy beard growth going into this, and it removed everything, no problem. By the way, this is actual 4K, so what you see is what you get. No joking around here. The Sterling Soap Barbershop, not a lather monster, but the lather was nice and slick, and the scent is fantastic. And they have a lot of other different scents. You can check them out. Just click on Sterling Soaps at Shave Nation. You can check these out. And then the Parker Blade, right here. The Parker Blade performed very well. I was actually very surprised by how this blade performed in the razor. Did a fantastic job. I'm very pleased with the shave provided. So, good blade right here. Shave Nation bowl, no problem. Mixing a lather. And the Chubby Simpson, the Chubby 2 brush by Simpsons. Always a great brush. Alright, do me a favor before I head out. Smash that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then ring that bell down there. Ring it. So you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Also, share these videos. There's about 450 shaving and other related type videos. Share it with your friends. Share the love of wet shaving. Please, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you want to pick up any of these items, the razor, the shaving cream, bowl, brush, any of that, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab it right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. If we could sell Dior, the Sauvage, I would definitely sell it because I like it. So, thank you very much for watching. If you're listening, Dior, hit me up. Let's work something out. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Johnny, good luck. However the outcome, whatever the outcome, good luck. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.